No flour, no sugar, no butter, no eggs, yet incredibly delicious. A soft, moist, and healthy carrot cake you won't believe is this easy to make. Simple ingredients, amazing taste. Let's make it together. A guilt-free treat that's perfect for any time of the day. Get ready for a flavorful and nutritious carrot cake. Soft, creamy, and bursting with flavor, this carrot cake is pure perfection. Every bite is a delicious combination of moist carrot cake and rich, creamy layers. Light, fluffy, and naturally sweet, a guilt-free indulgence you'll love. Who knew healthy could taste this good? This cake is simply irresistible. Try this once and it will become your new favorite dessert. If you try these recipes, let us know your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more recipes.